Here we are in Sandy Hook, 5897/5895 Deerhorn, and we've just finished doing a reno on the downstairs here, 5897 Deerhorn, and we'll take a little walk through. People are going to be moving into it on Monday, 2 days from now, so I was just doing a little cleanup. A few more things to do, but not much. I got to put some labels in a few places, water shutoffs, that kind of thing. And normally people would probably use this carport entrance, but I'm going to go around the front door. And you can see one of the wonderful things about this place is the view. So here we have a common entrance. And this is a common room, a boot room. The left door goes upstairs. We're going to go straight through here. So we have a water tank in the closet, and that's for upstairs. So separate water, separate hydro, and that's the side door entrance to the kitchen. Everything's new in here, right from the studs outwards, all the electrical and everything. So that's the kitchen, full size. This is the bedroom, an average size, larger closet than most, I guess. We made the closet a little bit larger than normal. And we put in a new window in, larger than it was in there before, to meet codes for egress. This is concrete floor, which doubled as leveling the floor, but also a nice look for finish, waxed, sealed and waxed, sanded, sealed and waxed. And it varies in depth because the floor used to be centered for drainage in the middle somewhere, so it's between 2 and 3 inches. In fact, I think on the outer edge of the kitchen here, it's probably close to like less than 1 inch. Yeah, all new appliances. Microwave is in there. And the kitchen island, of course, with an electrical socket because it's fixed, and that's what they tell you got to do. Here and here's the bathroom. We created a pretty large bathroom. Of course, everything in here is new as well. Both the bedroom and the bathroom have in-floor heating, plus a thermostat-controlled baseboard heat. In this case, it's underneath the vanity. And bathtub, I suppose a picture or something would go over there. And shower. And back up. And the laundry's over in here. So washer dryer. And to the left of the washer and dryer is the hot water tank for downstairs. And water shutoffs are in there, so that's why I have to label them. It's a 1-bedroom unit, but somebody could use this extra space in here for a den. So we've got on the left hand side like a lounge space and fireplace, and on the right side is TV room, maybe office nook, or I guess somebody could use it as guest sleeping or whatever, as a second sleeping space. But it's a 1-bedroom apartment plus that extra space. I guess I call it 1 plus den or something. And yeah, you get that extraordinary view out there. We've got the window treatments coming in and bamboo blinds. They won't be here for a couple of weeks, so the people that live here will have to make do with it for a little while, for a couple of weeks. And that's the tour.